Good afternoon to you folks there at Captain Rooter. This is Melissa, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would she be doing this and what's in it for her? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who an expert is and who an expert isn't. I have found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their businesses has resulted in some of those businesses still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Melissa, so please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take what I've shown you and tackle it for yourself, well, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to go over is content. As you can see, I'm on your site here, and you need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 750 to 800 words here. If we pop over to Rescue Plumbing, they're closer to that 1,500 mark. They're probably right around there, 1,500. And you pop over to here to Bathke, they are well under that 1,500 mark. They're more on par with you guys, 750 to 800 words. But I'm going to show you why here in a few seconds. They're still outranking you. And the same with Good. They're also well under that 1,500 mark, but I can show you why they're outranking you here in just a couple of seconds. Every month, people search plumbers in Chicago 400 times and emergency plumbers 1,900 times. So that's a lot that you're missing out on by not being number one. We pop over here to SEO Quake. That's a free tool that I use, and you guys can go grab it for yourself. It will show you the keywords that you're actually ranking on Google for. And your top 5 keywords are important, ver, font size, color, and plumbing. They're not very optimized for the customers who are searching for you guys. But let's take a look at your competitors here. What they're ranking for, this is Rescue Plumbing, they're ranking for plumbing, Chicago, park, repair, and rescue. We'll pop over and check out Bathke Plumbing. They're ranking for plumbing, share, water, service, and installation. And if we pop over here and look at Good, they're ranking for repair, plumbing, installation, water, and commercial. With a little bit of tweaking, that is very beatable. Moving on to the next visible section is the second most important thing that I want to talk to you about, and we call this the Google Map Pack, or the maps. And on these results, we can see the business name, address, and phone number. This is also known as maps. So now you're asking, hey Melissa, how do I rank in maps? Well, to answer your question, we're going to go over here to another tool I use. This is about $30 to $70 based on your plan, but you can see that your site has about 32 citations. Rescue Plumbing has 41, Good has 16, and Bathke has 39. You do outrank Good here on this, but again, I'm going to show you why they are still outranking you overall here in a few seconds. These citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, CityStar, and so on. We can see the competition's citations here, and all you gotta do is go in and grab the ones that you don't have already, grab them for yourself and submit, and you're on your way to outranking your competitors. And now the third thing I want to cover is another important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. Now you can see that we searched for Chicago area plumbers and your site is not number one. And this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's most like a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a plumbing site linking to you, that would be more effective than, say, Pizza Hut linking to you because, well, you don't sling pizzas for a living. So that brings me to another tool I use called Ahrefs. I've plugged your guys' website into there, and it shows you have 532 backlinks pointing back at your site. If we pop over here to Rescue Plumbing, they have 831 backlinks pointing back to their site. Bathgate Plumbing has 1.2 thousand, and Good Plumbing has 1.39 thousand. We can see the competition's link juice here. I just pulled up Good's link juice here, and we'll see what's working for them. It's very beatable with time. You just look at the links that they have and you go grab every link for your own site. So once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat the competition by a landslide. And link juice, you need more relative sites pointing to you to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So now I bet you're wondering, what's next? Well, you can either go with this information that I've provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. Or if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 563-551-6354. That's the office. Or my cell phone's 309-235-9255. Once again, my name is Melissa, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.